The biomedical science, it offers way more hands-on stuff. Like we were able to like pump up a pig's lung and like see how it inflates and deflates, whereas I've never seen anything like that in high school.
With this program, it really just gives you that head start going into any career that you can. You really get to learn about every single little career, and for me, I want to become a nurse practitioner, and so this class just kind of puts me ahead for that decision later on in life. This experience is going to not only jumpstart what I know in science, so it will actually put me ahead in my science classes because it'll just give me that edge in college.
There's a lot of opportunities to try new stuff, and at first you get scared to try something, but then once you get to know everyone, your teacher's like, go ahead, do it. I feel like it did help me a lot.
I would say this class is worth it because even if you decide not to go into the medical field, this is a really fun class and you do learn a lot and it's a lot of hands-on. So even if you just enjoy science, I think it'll be worthwhile for you.